1. Choose a subject and target audience. Decide which subject or topic you want to tutor in and identify your target audience, such as K-12 students, college students, language learners. 2. Create a teaching plan. Develop a curriculum or teaching plan for your chosen subject. Outline the learning objectives, topics to cover, and any additional resources you'll need. 3. Set up your online presence. Establish a professional online presence by creating a website or a dedicated page on tutoring platforms. Include information about your experience, qualifications, and teaching approach. 4. Choose an online tutoring platform. There are several websites where you can offer your tutoring services. Tutor.com. Apply to become an online tutor on this platform and get connected with students seeking help in various subjects. B. VIPKid. Specializes in teaching English to Chinese students. C. Chegg Tutors. Sign up to tutor in a wide range of subjects. Students can request help directly or connect with tutors through scheduled sessions. D. Wisant. Create a profile, set your rates, and get matched with students looking for tutoring in your chosen subject. 5. Advertise your services. Promote your tutoring services on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn. 6. Schedule and conduct lessons. Once you have students, schedule online tutoring sessions using video conferencing tools like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet. Prepare lesson plans, teaching materials, and interactive activities to engage your students effectively. 7. Provide personalized support. Tailor your teaching approach to meet the unique needs of each student. Offer feedback, answer questions, and provide additional resources to enhance their understanding. 8. Provide assessments and progress reports. Regularly assess your students' progress through quizzes, assignments, or tests. Provide constructive feedback and create progress reports to track their improvement.